So I'm going to log into a Stripe account to show you what I've been able to make each month since I've started this new affiliate marketing opportunity. And yeah, let's get right into this here. It's going to be a pretty cool video. I'm going to log into my dashboard. $100 so far today so far. So what I'm going to do is I started this on December the 19th, okay? And it's March the 6th or something like that. So I'll just show you what I made for December, the rest of December. So as you can see right here, if I zoom in, 2,918 bucks, not a whole lot of money, but I also started late in December. So now I'm going to go to January. So January 1st to January 31st. So as you can see, in January of 2019, I made $4,361. And so now I'm going to go to February 1 and do the 28th, and that was a shorter month, right? And as you can see, in February, I made $6,349. Okay, and so now we're in March, and click on the 1st till the 6th, which is, and as you can see, I've already made a little over $1,300, and it hasn't even been a full week. Even if a few months pass and you're watching this video, there's a big chance I've probably scaled from there, from whatever you just saw me show you today. On March the 6th. Hope I can continue the trend of beating my last month's profits. This video is going to be a little bit different than some of the other videos you may have looked up on or watched on this particular keyword. I'm not about to sit here and start talking about becoming an Amazon affiliate and promoting things like that. I'm specifically going to tell you, what I like to do when it comes to affiliate marketing. I like to get with affiliate offers that I can promote that actually teaches people a skill or skills that can help them start to market and grow a business online. If the offer comes with an opportunity attached to it, then that's like a plus. I've been doing this stuff full time since 2013, and this is just one of the streams of income I'm showing. I have something that runs in the background that I don't even touch that makes me passive income. I find that affiliate marketing should be as simple as you join a powerful opportunity or program, product, service, whatever, you promote it, okay, using current marketing tactics on social media or things like that. You learn powerful strategies to target the audience you need to target that buys, and you send them to your site, right, or your sales funnel or whatever, and you get paid. That's how simple this should be. None of this spending years and years and years trying to make your first freaking dollar. I run into a lot of people that have literally said they have been trying to make money online with affiliate marketing for years, and it's just it doesn't make sense to me. Either if you are on this and you have struggled with affiliate marketing in the past, either you just do too much program hopping, or you're literally not getting with things that actually show you how to make real money in this niche. So yeah, what actually paid me that money in the Stripe account was a direct sales affiliate offer. Oh my gosh, I have been in MLMs before. I've been in the affiliate offers that are free to start with, and then, they've got, different levels, and you hope your leads upgrade so you actually make commissions. But right now, nothing beats, to me at least, joining a really good direct sales opportunity. If you're somebody you're an affiliate marketer and you've been driving traffic to something and you're not making sales every day, or, it's just taking a really long time for you to get conversions from when you get a lead to when they actually buy, get in freaking direct sales. If you're like me, you want to see if you can make money the quickest with something. Now, I'm not saying this is get rich quick. There's a difference between what I'm saying, being able to get something in line to where you can have the ability to make money quick, but I'm not saying get rich quick. I mean, if you've never made your first dollar online, you do that quickly to start helping you really be positive about this stuff. If you've never made $100 in a day, I'm saying get to that level pretty quickly. I'm not saying you're gonna start making thousands of dollars a day or anything. And to me, direct sales, a direct sales opportunity just is the key to unlocking that for a lot of people. Either that or CPA marketing. One of those. So it's a direct sales opportunity that literally shows you how to start, marketing, grow a business online, or if you want to apply the tactics they're, teaching to actually promote the opportunity and make commissions, You can. They literally show you how to target the exact type of person you need to target to get into this by literally copying and pasting ads that they give to you via social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Craigslist, did I say Instagram? Snapchat even. When people ask for more information on your post, you send them a site that gets created for you by the team, and once they get that little site, it does all the selling and telling for you. When people make the decision to get with this opportunity that can literally change their financial future, you get paid. Now, a lot of you know how affiliate marketing works, so let's get to what you really want to know. How much do you make per sale? You get 100% commissions, which is rare to find with opportunities. Not only do you get 100% commissions, but they get paid out instantly to you via PayPal or Stripe, which is pretty freaking awesome if you ask me. It's super affordable, and in fact, you have the power to choose how much money you even really want to start with this opportunity. There is a link in my description below you can click on to see that more in depth. But basically, there's a $25, $50, or a $100 level. They're all one-time fees. I picked the pro level because you're able to make commissions on the other two levels without actually buying them. And I think that's one of the reasons why this affiliate offer converts so well, because what happens usually, people are forced into like a bottom level. You know, we're all forced into a bottom level, and then you have to upsell like crazy. This is just 3 freaking levels. That's it. There aren't any like crazy upsells, and I think people just love the simplicity of it. So if you're somebody that already knows how to drive traffic to something, this can be really good for you. Or if you're somebody that's really new to this and you're just trying to get your feet wet with affiliate marketing, you can try to do what I do, you know, instead of trying to become an Amazon affiliate and literally trying to make $1 per freaking sale you make on I don't even know what the percentage is there. Everybody loves the Amazon stuff. It takes a lot of work to build that up. Not saying it's not worth it, but I just feel like you can put the same amount of time you would in like becoming an Amazon affiliate and like growing that. I think you can put that same amount of time to something like what I'm doing and make way more money and probably a little bit faster. Again, I don't want you to get confused with getting rich quick, okay? But that is what is possible. When you join me on that pro level, you'll get access to me. You'll literally have me to ask as many questions as you want, for me to work on strategy with you. You'll get a bonus extra training page from me on top of what you already get. I show you how I automate the whole thing and the best ways I get traffic. I'll even give you my daily checklist that I do on a daily basis that is full of income producing actions to actually make this stuff work. So anyways, that's basically it. If you want information, like I said, click the link. If you have that much of a problem, because I know some people are like, oh my God, they're promoting a link. One's twisting your arm to click it. But anyways, that's it. So it's an opportunity that I'm kind of pushing right now, and I do believe can help a lot of people make their first sale online, or finally first make their first $100 in a day, or get to the point where they're making consistent income. I mean, that's what this stuff is about here, okay? So anyways, that's it. Hope you join my team. My financial goal is to make $1,000 every single day, so I've got a ways to go. I've got a pretty good start at it. Whatever your goal is, you can hit it, and I'm determined to help you. So anyways, click that link, sign up, and you'll be hearing from me shortly.